Imagine walking into court, claiming the right to enforce a financial instrument that you cannot even produce. No original document, no physical evidence in your hands. Has the law reached a dead end? Under the Uniform Commercial Code, not necessarily. Welcome to UCC Section 3-309, where justice must balance missing evidence against legitimate ownership. Most legal disputes begin with evidence. Produce the contract, produce the note, produce the negotiable instrument. But what happens when the original has been lost, destroyed, or stolen? Does every legal right disappear with the paper? Section 3-309 answers no. The law begins with one critical question. Who actually had the right to enforce the instrument? The claimant must establish one of two things. Either they already possessed enforcement rights when possession was lost, or they later acquired ownership from someone who did. Rights matter. Possession alone does not answer every question. The law also examines how the instrument disappeared. Was it accidentally lost, destroyed, stolen? Those situations may qualify, but if the claimant voluntarily transferred the instrument or government authorities lawfully seized it, Section 3-309 offers no rescue. The law distinguishes unavoidable loss from intentional surrender. The claimant must also show that obtaining the instrument is no longer reasonably possible. Perhaps it was destroyed. Perhaps its location remains unknown. Perhaps someone wrongfully possesses it. Mere inconvenience is not enough. The inability must be genuine. Losing the original does not eliminate the burden of proof. The claimant must still prove the terms of the instrument and their legal right to enforce it. If that burden is satisfied, the court proceeds, much as though the original instrument had been produced. Yet one danger remains. What if someone else later appears, carrying the original instrument? Could the person obligated to pay be forced to pay twice? The law refuses to allow that possibility, without protection. Before entering judgment, the court must ensure that the party required to pay is adequately protected. Protection may come in many forms: a bond, an indemnity agreement, escrow arrangements, or any reasonable safeguard the court considers sufficient. Throughout history, documents have vanished. Fires, floods, theft, war, human error. If every lost instrument destroyed every legal right, commerce itself would become unstable. Section 3-309 preserves legitimate enforcement while demanding proof and protecting innocent parties. The paper may disappear, but lawful rights do not necessarily vanish with it. Enforcement remains possible only when the claimant proves entitlement, proves the instrument's terms, explains the loss, and ensures the person obligated to pay will not face unfair risk. Uniform Commercial Code, Article 3, Section 3-309. Enforcement of lost, destroyed, or stolen instruments. Understanding the law, one section at a time.